Hello friends, in this video I'm going to share another liquid fertilizer which is, you can see this one. I was going to apply in my plants, so I thought that why shouldn't I share this to all of you. So what is there in this fertilizer? Mm, it is my reusable fertilizer, means I had already used it once and again added water, and I've got this time this kind of color. And what I'm going to add in this, I'm going to share with you. In this, at first let me tell you what is there. There is the uh, peels of the vegetables and some flowers, means of flowers like marigolds and many flowers of my garden. And another thing is there, that is a chunk of cow, 1 year old cow dung, that is there in this. And another thing is mustard cake, that is the most important fertilizer is there. And I'm going to show you another thing. These are the 5 things that I'm going to add in that fertilizer. I will add half up till here in these bottles until it empty up till here. What are these? Now it is the means rotten. uh, what I have done is I have removed the peel of some orange, blended them in the mixie, and that is I had kept in this for 1 month old. Now this is banana peel fertilizer. You can see banana over there, and that is this one. And this is the uh, curd fertilizer. Here you can see the curd, and here is its water. I will mix it and add it in that pot. I will show you, I think, if I can, because I'm doing the video with one hand. This is the milk fertilizer. I had added milk and I had used it a lot of times, so you will see a less amount of solids in the remaining. And this is the iron water, that is some rusted utensils I've taken and put them in water. Now this is that fertilizer, and I'm going to add in front of you. I'm adding. That first goes in the banana peel fertilizer. Make sure to shake it before adding. Next, this is the curd fertilizer. I'm shaking it before adding it. It will also work as a pesticide, organic pesticide. Now this is the paneer fertilizer, or the milk fertilizer, which has turned into paneer now, and we'll add its water to this. Now this is the orange fertilizer, orange peel, or actually this is the pomelo peel. You can use orange peel instead of this. I will add the chunks also inside this. It will also improve the fertility of the soil. The bucket was overflowing, so I had reused some of the fertilizer. And now in this I'm going to add this rusted iron water. You have to shake it before the use. it will add color to the flowers of yours. After adding everything, mix everything well, like this. And in 10 liters of water, add 2 mugs of this fertilizer. See the beautiful oranges color. This is due to the color of the flowers. Now I am telling you how to use it. I had already added 2 mugs in this 10-liter water, but to show you I am also adding another half mug to this, and your it will look like this. Your fertilizer will look like this, and believe me, it is good fertilizer for all your plants. I'm showing you by applying it to some plants. Let's see. And make sure the soil is moist. This is my antirrhinum plants, and I will make every leaves I will give a good bath with this fertilizer. It will also act as a pesticide because we have added milk. Again I am taking some fertilizer, adding to my hollyhock. 1 mug is sufficient for each of your plant. It is applicable to all of your plants, including verbenas and all your. I'm adding it to verbena now. This is bougainvillea, and I'm adding it to bougainvillea also. This is also bougainvillea. It is applicable to your food plants also, like I'm showing you. See, this is my strawberry plant. There are 3 strawberries at this time, and I'm adding the fertilizer to this strawberry plant also. It's applicable to your calendulas also. You will get a number of blooms in your calendula plants using this fertilizer. You can add in your lysums also. It will be a good fertilizer. It is applicable to your petunias also. And another fun fact is it is totally organic. It will be a good fertilizer for your hibiscus also. I don't know whether it will be okay or not, but I will give it to my roses also. But because it will not harm, at least, because it is organic. You can give it to your mango or lemon plants also. I will give it to my lemon plants now, later to my mangoes. Not only this, you can apply this to your adeniums also. Adeniums, the seasons of adeniums are coming now, so I am giving fertilizers to my adeniums also. This is my crepe jasmine plant, and this is a permanent plant, and it actually had some I will add in this plant also. You can to show you that you can add it to your permanent plants also. We should add this to your dahlia also. I will apply more to dahlias. Not one is not enough, 1 mug. You can add this by adding more water. But in this case you have to make sure it is dilute enough. But you can add it to your seedlings also. These are my seedlings of Gomphrena and Portulaca. And make sure that the soil of each and every plant you are adding this fertilizer should be moist. Otherwise it will not work good. So for good better results, you should make sure that the soils of your plants should be moist. Hope you have liked my video, and if you have liked it and like my way of giving fertilizer, please give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comment or any suggestions to me, please give it in the comment section below, and I will soon upload an Bengali video on this topic also, so you can also watch it. So thank you, and let's meet in my next video.